Hi everyone, welcome to Virtuous Eunice's kitchen. Today I'm going to show you another very important program in my family. I am Virtuous Eunice's kitchen, but I'm actually in my sister's kitchen today because this important program is taking place in my sister's house. Our precious daughter, my niece, our niece is celebrating her 18th birthday, and she has done greatly in her academics. She deserves it. So she gave me a menu which I thought is one of the cheapest menu, but when I get to the store this morning, I realized that this girl is expensive. So let's get started. Okay guys, these are the requests. Beef, roast beef. We call it back home in Africa roast beef. Okay? Then I'm going to make some roast chicken with chicken breast, just like roast beef. The roast beef, the beef is already sliced, cubed. And I'm going to do the same with the chicken breast, and I'm going to do some shrimp too. So being that tomorrow is the birthday, but I'm going to start washing everything, season them, get ready for tomorrow. Okay guys, so I'm going to start washing this stuff right now. Okay, I have some vinegar. I'm going to start washing it with some vinegar. This aside. Okay. Chicken. Okay, vinegar.
This is the chicken for the kebabs, right? Okay, so now she's cutting the chicken so they can go on the kebab sticks because I wanted kebabs for my birthday. What else are you gonna put on the kebab sticks?
Well, I have some seasonings that I'm gonna put. It depends on your choice of seasonings. Yeah. So. I'm going to continue this process until I get all the chicken done. Yes.
I was thinking you're gonna do like a montage. Or do you? I mean,
Like
you can
what?
cut it. You can just keep cutting. Yeah, I'm gonna record it because for mine, then I'll use like maybe a montage after we speak in that part.
Okay, guys. I'm doing the shrimp now. Okay.
Yeah, she just finished cutting the chicken into small enough pieces to go on the kebabs for tomorrow. And now she's moving on to the shrimp, which she's gonna be using for shrimp kebabs. What kind of shrimp did you get? Super cool. So it's just your regular shrimp, super colossal, never mind. Super colossal shrimp. Yeah.
That's a big name.
Yeah.
No, vinegar. Yeah.
You gotta make sure you clean your seafood well, and your food in general,
Yeah.
before using it so you don't get sick.
Especially seafood.
Yep. Now she is removing the skin from the shrimp. And she's putting it into this bowl. What are you gonna do when you put it in this bowl? You're gonna season it maybe?
Yes, but
Okay. So then she's putting it in this bowl so she can start seasoning it with your desired seasoning. So whatever you guys wanna put on your shrimp, put on your shrimp if you're following along with this video. And then we're gonna turn it into some kebabs. Well, if you guys are not aware, Virtuous Eunice's Kitchen is one of the best chefs, well no, the best chef next to Gordon Ramsay to walk this earth. So what are you cooking for me on my special day?
actually, I'm cooking. You say beef kebab, chicken kebab, shrimp kebab. Guess what? I'm an African. When I started the video, I said I'm making it was beef. And she now call it kebab. I said, okay. So I said, that's how they call it. Behind the camera, I was asking. So I'm making shrimp kebab, chicken kebab,
Yeah.
beef kebab,
Keep going.
hamburger,
Yeah.
beef hamburger. She is so expensive. She doesn't want like pork, chicken, or
I don't eat pork.
turkey, those things.
Nope.
Because actually they cannot eat pork. So pork is out.
Yeah.
But you know beef is more expensive, guys. So I'm gonna make some hot dog.
Beef hot dog.
Yes.
Better than chicken hot dogs and all those turkey hot dogs, whatever else they do. Best hot dogs are beef hot dogs.
And maybe
Don't forget about those meat pies. The pies.
And I'm gonna make in my videos. I make chicken pie.
We'll link it at the top. We'll link
Yes.
the video at the top.
I make chicken pie. I make beef pie.
Yeah.
I'm gonna make it's gonna be special.
Yeah.
A couple of days ago, one of my cousins' daughter just graduated. So the meat pie, guess what? The meat pie I make was excellent. Everybody was talking about this meat pie.
Mm-hmm.
So that girl is one of my Daryl and the sister. They are my best fans.
Yes.
When it comes to my video. So for our graduation, I make some meat pie and some chin chin. So when it comes to my niece now,
Yeah, when we tell you.
I'm gonna join the meat and the chicken together. I've never done that, and I've never seen it on YouTube. But that's my own initiative.
Yes.
So I want to see what will come out of that meat chicken pie, guys.
Oh.
Okay.
That's gonna be crazy.
So
I know, she made the meat pies a few days ago and only brought a couple, so everybody was trying to sneak and take them and steal them. But yeah, I only got one, so we need more meat pies for this weekend.
okay, guys, don't put in a little bit more vinegar.
Yeah, so we finished, well, she finished peeling the shrimp, and now she's putting more vinegar and water and washing them again just to make sure they are clean. You don't want to get sick, so just make sure you guys wash your things properly. And please, do not wash your food with soap.
Nice and clean.
Okay guys, so right now we're doing the seasoning portion of this video. You can use anything you want basically, but we put the Adobe what are we doing now? Okay.
Guys, we're just using seasonings of our choice. Okay? When it comes to chicken kebab or beef kebab, whatever you call it, just use your head and use your favorite seasoning.
Yeah.
Okay, because some people like some seasonings, some people don't like some, so just use whatever you lay your hand on. Okay, it will definitely come out great.
Yeah. And personally, for me, since I don't cook very often, I always go to the Adobe seasoning that kind of has everything in it. So if you don't know what you're doing, that's always a good way to go too.
Okay, guys. Normally, I use measurements in everything I'm making. But in this video, I already know my measurements. The last video I showed you, my head is big. All the measurements are in this head. So I'm going ahead now. This is my chicken. I already put the seasonings in there. But in this one, the shrimp, there is shrimp seasoning in this, which I cannot put in beef or chicken. And there is a particular chicken that is for chicken. I only put it on chicken, but not on these ones. Okay? So, guys, peanut butter. Okay? And lemon juice. Okay? But actually, I'm going to put the measurements down in the description box if you want to make something like it, like this, okay? So that you will not find it too difficult. So, see?
Yeah. I zoomed in so you don't have to move it too much. See, Auntie? Can you see it? It looks good. She's adding more of the lime juice, and make sure you. Well, no, I'm not gonna do that.
The lime juice will loosen the peanut butter. Okay. All the juice. Yeah. I'm keeping this aside. Hey guys, I'm going to put some tomato paste, okay, to give it color. And there is this hot pepper sauce my brother came with from New Jersey. It's very, very hot. So I have to put my gloves, okay? So I'm going to put some tomato paste for color. And I'm going to take out my dad's son because he does not eat spicy food. I'm going to put a couple of them for him. Yeah. Okay. So I'm going to put some of this hot sauce into it. It will give it a beautiful color. Okay, yes. It's ready.
Ready for the sticks?
Yeah.
Ready for the sticks.
Okay. Okay, guys. This is the steak. I'm going to pour it into a bigger container so I can be able to mix it well. Okay. So same peanut butter, but I'm not going to use the same
Proportion.
spice hot pepper in this. Okay, so that we'll have another taste all together with the beef. So the same thing, the peanut butter. Why is it tomato paste? Can I have it, please? Thank you. Tomato paste. Okay. Put it.
Okay.
Tell me what we're doing.
Okay, so now we are working on the beef. She's mixing it up right now. She put the tomato paste in, she put the peanut butter in, she put her seasoning in. So you guys just do whatever you like, and you can add whatever you like so the chicken tastes the way that you like. And yeah, you just gotta mix it up. And then get ready to start kebabbing. Oh yeah, right now she just added more lime juice. And she says that the lime juice helps with the peanut butter. It helps make it smooth and not too lumpy and clumpy, because you don't want lumpy, clumpy peanut butter. And it also adds to the flavor. It brings out the flavor that's inside of the meat and with the seasoning. So just keep adding your lime juice, but don't add too much.
Okay guys, in the beef kebab, I'm going to use Kenya pepper. Okay? In the chicken, I use the hot sauce that came from New Jersey. So in this one, I'm going to use Kenya pepper. The reason why I'm doing it like that, so that at least, because all are peanut butter, but you will still have different flavor. Okay? So in this one, I'm putting some Kenya pepper.
Yep, the cayenne pepper's for the kick. If you like spicy.
As much as you can. If you like spicy food, that's fine.
Yeah, if you don't, obviously opt out.
If you cannot eat spicy food, just omit it. You don't have to. Okay? So that you'll be able to enjoy your own meat kebab or chicken kebab.
Cook to your own taste.
Yes. It looks good, right?
Yes, it does.
Okay.
So as you guys can see, the sauciness of the kebab beef is coming together, and the sauciness of the chicken is also coming together. And the last step next will be the shrimp.
Okay guys, I want us to put some Maggi sauce into it so that I can get the flavor. Okay?
She's adding it to both the chicken and the beef.
Yes. We just want it for flavor. Okay? Not too much. And mix again. The more you mix, the more the seasoning went into the chicken or the beef. Okay? So don't be scared to mix. Smells so good.
If you guys have never heard the phrase cooking is a science, then you're about to experience it right now, because we have 4 different types of mustard and we're not quite sure which one to put in. So we're gonna put them all in. We have, let it focus on my hand. Give me a second. Spicy brown mustard.
Okay.
Oh, you want me to open it?
Just a teaspoon.
Not even focusing.
Okay.
Okay, we have spicy brown mustard. Next, we have Dijon mustard. Cut it open. And then after that, we have honey mustard. Oh yeah, no, I was trying to focus the camera before I did that. And last, we have sweetened hot mustard. And this is the pesto that we are adding to the shrimp also.
Okay guys, in this shrimp today, I'm not gonna put any peanut butter, okay? We're just gonna make our own flavor, okay? So, okay, where's the cayenne pepper?
It's right there.
Where? Oh.
Right next to the peanut butter.
Okay, cayenne pepper. It looks good, guys. So no cayenne pepper, no tomato paste in this one, okay?
Oh, you just put the cayenne pepper.
Just put cayenne pepper, no tomato paste, no peanut butter. Yes. Just, okay. Okay, guys. It's all ready.
So,
Okay. Guys, see that?
let me get it from the table. Okay, wait. This is the shrimp. This is the chicken. This is the beef. And this is put aside for my grandpa, who does not eat any spicy food. So his does not include any of the cayenne pepper and any of the extra hot sauce.
Okay, guys. See you tomorrow when the cooking is actually taking place. Okay? Bye. No, I gotta go back over there real quick.
Hey guys, so this is the food that we were working on yesterday. We got the hot dogs, beef hot dogs, because I like hot dogs the mostest. We have this is chicken? This is the chicken one? We have the chicken kebab. Okay, this is beef kebabs.
Yeah, don't show the
We have our beef kebab. Wait, no, shrimp. Girl, this is the chicken.
Oh.
Okay. We have the beef kebabs. We have the shrimp kebabs, and then we have the chicken kebabs. I've already tried the beef, which was really, really good. But now what we're doing is we're just about to go eat together as a family. And we have the homemade pigs in a blanket. I'm so excited. And this is Nikki. I'm coming. And these are some of the hamburgers. They're over there, I already used them. These are the hamburgers. These are the first 4 out. We're still having more coming out soon. And these are the meat pies. And let me tell you, the meat pies are the bestest. And then don't forget to go to Virtuous Eunice Kitchen to get.
Hey guys, thank you so much for this beautiful day that we celebrated with my niece. It was a success. All the food were good. Everything was good. You will really know that this is a blessing to celebrate 18. Still in the home, still waxing strong, beautiful. So I appreciate you all for joining us. Some of you, I believe you swallow the food without tasting it. So thank you for joining me, cooking from the Virtuous Eunice's kitchen for my niece. So thank you so much. And I hope my niece will always enjoy her life and we will continue to celebrate her more. Love you all. Love you, Daryl and Esther, and the kids, and my husband, and my mom, and my dad, Cecilia, Eunice, Zian, Zipporah. We thank you all for being with us, for making this a great day. We love you. July, celebrate more.